Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play block traffic puzzles. This engaging game challenges your problem-solving skills by presenting a grid full of cars. Your primary objective is to maneuver a specific vehicle, usually a red car, out of a congested parking lot. It's a fantastic way to sharpen your spatial reasoning and strategic thinking, offering countless hours of brain-teasing fun. Get ready to untangle some serious traffic. Understanding the movement rules is key to mastering these puzzles. Each vehicle block can only slide in one direction, either horizontally or vertically. For instance, a car facing left or right can only move along that horizontal axis. Similarly, a truck oriented up or down will only move vertically. Remember, you cannot rotate any of the pieces, so plan your slides carefully to create openings. To solve these puzzles efficiently, start by focusing on your goal, getting the main car to its exit. Often, the best approach is to work backward from the exit, clearing the path one vehicle at a time. Don't be afraid to make temporary moves that seem counterintuitive if they open up a crucial space later on. Thinking 2 or 3 steps ahead will significantly improve your success rate. For more complex puzzles, try to identify recurring patterns of blocked cars. Sometimes, moving a car far away from the exit can be the exact solution needed to free up space. Don't get discouraged if a puzzle seems impossible at first. Take a break and return with a fresh perspective. Regular practice, even just for 5 or 10 minutes a day, will dramatically improve your ability to solve these challenging grids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.